Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So today a recipe that it's so delicious, so nutritious, and so unexpectedly easy for the taste that it has. It's an Italian dish, an Italian food that is called a farinata di ceci, which is like a garbanzo, flatbread, and it's so easy. Such an uncomplicated recipe. Only a few ingredients, and the result is amazing, and it's very versatile as well. Okay, so let me show you how I put it together. Alright, so now we're going to start by adding the garbanzo flour or chickpea flour. I wanted to measure it this time, so the measurements are 120 grams of chickpea flour and 320 grams of water. Mix them in a bowl. Well, let me change the tools here. However, if you want to be a little bit more proactive, you can blend it straight away because it's easier, and or you can use a whisk. And after that, there's a very important step. Chickpeas are supposed to be soaking in water, so they will release the anti-nutrients, which is that foam, scum, however you want to call, that's going to stay in the water. And then we're going to discard the water and cook it, right? So for this recipe, we haven't done that. Oops, something happened. An earthquake. No, it's not, I'm joking. It's my cats. They do crazy things when I'm filming. I don't know why, they want attention. So back to the recipe. We are using chickpea flour and it's raw, which means that it hasn't been soaked before. So this time that we're going to give now, which is at least 4 hours in the fridge, it's going to be good for rehydrating it. And also we need to remove that little foam that is going to form on top because that's the anti-nutrient from the garbanzo. Okay, eliminate that, discard, and okay, cover. I'm using a how do you call a shower cap. No, of course, it's just for the kitchen, okay? So I suggest you to do the same, so you don't need to use a cling film or things like that and then throw it away. Just use that, keep 1 or 2 in the kitchen like I do, and then use that and a separate one for shower. Right, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to add the remainder of the ingredients, which are salt and pepper. I'm using chili pepper, and onions. Oh, but Jana, my grandmother doesn't use that. She's from Liguria, and Liguria is... I know that this dish is from Liguria. I've had that over there. However, I'm making my own version of it. And I encourage you to do and make your own version of it, because that's why we're here for, to share and exchange experiences and give each other's ideas. Originally, it's true, it's made with salt and rosemary. Okay, however, I didn't have any rosemary, so what I used is some fresh oregano, and let me tell you, it was delicious. Look what I have here. Oh, it's so delicious, so amazing. You know what? You can add thinly sliced potatoes. Let me think. Sweet potatoes, although it's not from the original recipe. We know that, so don't need to give yourself a nosebleed over that. We know we're just changing things a little bit, okay? And you can add whatever herbs you have in hand. And that's the idea of this dish, because sometimes you just want something, I don't know, easy to make, nutritious, because this is very nutritious, and you don't want to slave away in the kitchen. Now, you can start making the batter put it in the fridge, and then the next day when you wake up, first thing you do is to put it in your oven, okay? And then go take a shower. By the time you're almost ready to have breakfast, it's going to be ready, right? It's so good. And then you even can take some for work with you, to work with you. People are gonna love you for that, let me tell you. And this is one of those dishes that are accidentally vegan, that we love so much, right? For people, oh, I can't stand vegan food, never had a vegan food. There you go. Okay, so this is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and what else was I gonna say? Oh, the recipe is going to be over here and on my website, and I will see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye-bye.